Hello! Today we are talking to the architects of the digital world. What did Epic Games actually buy? The anatomical revolution and simple standard. The truth behind the headlines. Hello! Today, everyone in the tech world is buzzing about one acquisition. Epic Games has officially brought Meshcapade into its ecosystem. But we aren't just talking about a simple corporate merger or adding a new body type to MetaHuman characters. Today, we are uncovering a seismic shift in the digital universe. The radical transformation of the digital skeletal system. Epic Games didn't just buy a software package or a team of engineers. They brought the ultimate biometric standard for representing the human form with scientific fidelity under their roof, the SMPL technology. By acquiring this data model built on a deep academic foundation, Epic has essentially seized the power to define the future standards of digital anatomy. But why does a gaming engine giant need such precise mathematical data? Let's dive deep into the digital skeleton. The problem: why do they still look fake? For years, we've seen incredible graphics in games and films, but something has always felt off. When a character moves, a shoulder collapses inward or an elbow folds like a plastic pipe instead of a natural joint. Their clothes often look like rigid armor rather than fabric stretching over skin. This is what traps us in the uncanny valley, that eerie, unsettling feeling of almost human. Why? Because until now, we've designed digital assets from the outside in. We made the skin, then the clothes, and treated the skeleton as just a lifeless set of sticks to move the mesh. SMPL flips this paradigm. It shifts the process from the inside out, from anatomy to surface. Imagine this: when a human lifts their arm, the bicep bulges, the skin slides over the bone by millimeters, and the rib cage expands. SMPL consolidates this complex biometric interaction into a single mathematical model based on thousands of real human body scans. Now, a character doesn't just walk, they come alive through muscle and tissue simulation beneath the skin. This is the ultimate technological strike against that floating in space feeling. The power of science, the Max Planck legacy. So where did this revolution come from? This is the most respectable part: academia. Meshcapade is the intellectual heir to the Max Planck Institute for Intelligent Systems, one of the world's most prestigious scientific institutions. Scientists perfected this model by scanning tens of thousands of diverse body types with 3D laser scanners. What we are looking at isn't a developer's imagination, it's a digital carbon copy of human anatomy. Why does academia matter here? Because it creates a mathematically proven standard. For example, thanks to SMPL, an AI can now look at a simple photo and calculate a person's height, weight, and even BMI with millimetric precision. By grounding this in science, Epic Games is turning the digital skeleton from an entertainment tool into a precision instrument. Bringing this academic depth into the engine means pure, verified knowledge is now becoming an industry standard. Digital humans are no longer built on guesses, they are built on facts. Epic's vision: democratizing power. We must give credit to Epic Games' visionary stance. Much like the open source movement in AI, Epic follows an inclusive policy. Normally, technology this academic and costly would be locked behind the doors of major Hollywood studios. However, by integrating this into MetaHuman and Unreal Engine, Epic is handing this immense power to the individual creator for free. This free-to-use philosophy aligns perfectly with the academic mission of spreading knowledge. Instead of restricting the tech, they aim to grow the entire digital ecosystem on this new skeletal system. Real-world applications: where will we see this? So what does this anatomical revolution change in our daily lives? Is it just for better game characters? Absolutely not. Gaming and entertainment, e-commerce and fashion, health and sports, cinema. In conclusion, Epic Games didn't just buy a company, they acquired the anatomical skeleton of the future digital world. This marriage of science and tech is building a future as close to reality as it gets. How do you think this anatomical shift will shape our world? Let's discuss in the comments. We'll keep exploring the new boundaries of the digital world. Take care and stay digital.